Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great, learning this language great way. Today I'm talk about you. I want to learn this language. Yes, I want to improve myself because my English is so weak. My English is so poor. My initial days, my initial days, I was not talking to English. I can read, I can write, but I can't speak to English. Yes, guys. But now I have decided and I have worked my communication skill. Yes, every day, every day I'm trying to speak only few sentences. Every day I'm trying to learn this vocabulary. Every day I'm trying to learn this sentence. Yes, and I can I can read these books and whenever uh, whenever you will not when I just talk to the English, I'm so fumble, I'm so stuck. But I have, you will break your consistency, you will not getting this fluency. Yes, guys, every day you're recording yourself, and every day you're recording yourself, and you're upload this video in your channel, and day by day you are improve your English. Day by day you are increase your confidence, and you are boost your confidence level. Yes, my initial days English, it is not my cup of tea, but I will, now I will try to speak every day. I have not getting free time, but I will try. uh, I have not today now I have not getting free time because I have lots of work in my house, because I am a housewife. I have lots of responsibility in my life, but I am work my communication skill. Yes, and I will say everybody, every woman's, you will try to speak. If you are a learn, if you are a beginner, if you are a homemaker, you will try, because you will not try, you will not getting this fluency. Yes, guys, every day you try to speak only few sentence. Every day you try to speak, you will try to learn this vocabulary. Okay, guys, thank you watching this my video. My videos, like and subscribe. You can speak, you can learn. Keep learning, keep practicing. We will meet next video. Bye bye.